If someone asks, "What is your home like?" do you know what to say?
I usually say, my home is nice, then I stop talking.
That answer is correct, Michael, but it does not tell us very much.
True, my home has rooms, furniture, and one very lazy plant.
Today, we will learn easy words to describe your home. You will hear how to talk about rooms, furniture, location, and your favorite place at home.
Good, I need more words than nice.
You do. Let's open the door and start with your home. Michael, where do you live? Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in an apartment. It is in a small building near a park.
That sounds nice. Which floor is your apartment on?
It is on the second floor. There is no elevator, so I use the stairs.
Do you mind using the stairs?
Not usually, but when I have heavy shopping bags, I suddenly wish for an elevator.
I understand. Carrying bags upstairs is not fun. Is your apartment big?
No, it is quite small, but it is comfortable. There is one bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom. I also have a little balcony.
A balcony is lovely. We will talk about that soon. When you open your front door, which room do you see first?
You see the living room first. It is my favorite room.
Why do you like it?
It is small but bright. There is a big window, so the room gets a lot of light.
What furniture is in your living room?
There is a green sofa against the wall. In front of the sofa, there is a small wooden table. I put my coffee on it.
Of course you do. Your coffee always needs a special place.
Exactly. There is also a lamp next to the sofa and a bookshelf near the window.
Do you have many books?
I have some books. I also have old magazines, 2 notebooks, and a guitar book.
Can you play the guitar?
I can play 3 songs. Well, maybe 2.5 songs.
2.5 songs? That is a very honest answer.
My neighbors probably think it is only half a song.
That made me laugh. Is there a television in the living room?
Yes, the TV is on a low table opposite the sofa. I watch films there at the weekend.
Your living room sounds cozy. Where is your kitchen?
The kitchen is on the left of the living room. It is narrow, but it has everything I need.
Tell me what is inside.
There is a fridge, a stove, a sink, and some cupboards. There is a small table by the window with 2 chairs.
That is useful. You can eat in the kitchen.
Yes, I eat breakfast there. I usually have eggs, toast, and tea.
Do you cook dinner too?
Sometimes I can make rice, soup, and pasta. After I cook, the kitchen is often messy.
Often messy. That sounds serious.
It is not too bad. There are just plates on the table and a pan in the sink.
Do you clean it after dinner?
Yes, but not immediately. First, I sit on the sofa for 5 minutes. Sometimes 5 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
That happens to many people. Now, tell me about your bedroom.
My bedroom is next to the bathroom. There is a bed in the middle of the room. There is a small bedside table on the right of the bed.
What is on the bedside table?
There is a lamp, my phone, and usually a glass of water.
Do you have a wardrobe?
Yes, the wardrobe is opposite the bed. My clothes are inside it. I also have a desk under the window.
Do you work at the desk?
Yes, I study there and sometimes I use my laptop there, but I do not keep the desk very tidy.
What is on your desk right now?
Let me think. There are 2 pens, 3 books, some papers, a cup, and 1 sock.
A sock? Why is there a sock on your desk?
I have no idea. Maybe the sock wants to study English.
Your sock is very welcome in our lesson. What is your bathroom like?
It is small and clean. There is a shower, a toilet, a sink, and a mirror above the sink.
Good. Now tell me about your balcony. I am curious about your lazy plant.
There are 3 plants on the balcony. 2 plants look happy. One plant looks tired.
Does it need water?
Probably. I water the plants every few days, but sometimes I forget.
Please give that plant some water after our lesson.
I promise. There is also a small chair on the balcony. I sit there in the evening.
What can you see from the balcony?
I can see the park, a few trees, and the street. Children play in the park and people walk their dogs.
That sounds peaceful. My home is a little different. I live in a house.
Is it a big house?
No, it is not very big. It has 2 floors and a small garden at the back.
What is in your garden?
There are flowers, a small tree, and a bench. I like to sit on the bench when the weather is warm.
That sounds lovely. What is your favorite room?
My favorite room is the kitchen. It is bright and warm. There is a round table in the middle of the room.
Do you cook a lot?
Yes, I enjoy cooking for my family. The kitchen is a good place to talk, eat, and drink tea.
I like that. A home is not only walls and furniture.
Exactly. A home is also the place where you relax and feel comfortable.
And where your plants wait for water.
Yes, Michael, please do not forget your plan again.
I will put a note on my desk next to the sock.
That is a good plan. We have used many useful phrases. Let's slow down and look at them more closely. Let's start with the first question. Do you live in a house or an apartment? This is an easy way to ask about someone's home.
And I can answer, I live in an apartment.
Exactly. You can also say, I live in a house, or I live in a small flat. In some countries, people often say flat instead of apartment. Both words are useful.
Can I say where my home is?
Yes, you can add a place. For example, I live in an apartment near a park. You can also say, I live in a house in a quiet street.
That helps people understand the area around my home.
Right, now let's look at there is and there are. Use there is for one thing. For example, there is a sofa in the living room.
And for more than one thing, I say, there are 3 plants on the balcony.
Perfect. Here is another example. There is a lamp next to the bed. And another, there are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
Sometimes I say, my kitchen has a fridge. Is that okay?
Yes, that is also good. You can say, my kitchen has a fridge, or there is a fridge in my kitchen. Both sound natural.
Good. What about words like next to and opposite?
These words tell us where something is. Next to means very close at the side. For example, the lamp is next to the sofa.
My bedside table is next to my bed.
Exactly. Opposite means on the other side, facing something. You said, the wardrobe is opposite the bed.
So I can see the wardrobe when I am in bed.
Yes, we also used in front of. For example, the table is in front of the sofa. And we used under. You said, my desk is under the window.
These small words are very useful. They help me show the room in my mind.
That is a great way to think about it. Now, let's talk about size and feeling. You said, it is small but bright.
Why do we use but there?
Because the 2 ideas are different. The room is small, but it gets a lot of light. Here are more examples. The kitchen is narrow but useful. The sofa is old but comfortable.
Can I say, my bedroom is simple but cozy?
Yes, that sounds natural. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and pleasant. A small reading corner can be cozy. A soft sofa with a lamp can be cozy, too.
I like that word. What about tidy and messy?
A tidy room is clean and organized. A messy room is not organized. Clothes may be on the chair. Papers may be on the desk.
Or one sock may be on the desk.
Yes, your famous studying sock. You can say, my kitchen is usually tidy, or my desk is a little messy.
A little messy sounds better than very messy.
Sometimes it does. Now let's learn a useful sentence for your favorite place. My favorite room is the living room because it is bright and comfortable.
So I say the room first, and then I give a reason.
Exactly. You can say, my favorite room is the kitchen because I enjoy cooking. Or, my favorite place is the balcony because it is quiet.
That is easy to use in a real conversation.
Yes, and when a guest visits your home, you can say, make yourself at home. It is a friendly phrase. It means, please relax and feel comfortable here.
That is nice. Can I say it when my friend comes to my apartment?
Yes, you can say, come in, make yourself at home.
Great, I think I am ready to practice these phrases.
Good, now let's say them slowly together. Viewers, please repeat after us. We will say each sentence slowly. Listen first, then repeat. Leave a small pause after each line. I live in a small apartment.
I live in a small apartment.
Now you repeat, I live in a small apartment. Pause. My apartment is on the second floor.
My apartment is on the second floor.
Your turn, my apartment is on the second floor. Pause. There is a sofa in the living room.
There is a sofa in the living room.
Your turn, there is a sofa in the living room. Pause. There are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
There are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
Your turn, there are 2 chairs in the kitchen. Pause. The lamp is next to the sofa.
The lamp is next to the sofa.
Your turn, the lamp is next to the sofa. Pause. The table is in front of the sofa.
The table is in front of the sofa.
Your turn, the table is in front of the sofa. Pause. The wardrobe is opposite the bed.
The wardrobe is opposite the bed.
Your turn, the wardrobe is opposite the bed. Pause. My desk is under the window.
My desk is under the window.
Your turn, my desk is under the window. Pause. My living room is small but bright.
My living room is small but bright.
Your turn, my living room is small but bright. Pause. My bedroom is simple but cozy.
My bedroom is simple but cozy.
Your turn, my bedroom is simple but cozy. Pause. My desk is a little messy.
My desk is a little messy.
Your turn, my desk is a little messy. Pause. My favorite room is the kitchen.
My favorite room is the kitchen.
Your turn, my favorite room is the kitchen. Pause. I like the balcony because it is quiet.
I like the balcony because it is quiet.
Your turn, I like the balcony because it is quiet. Pause. Come in, make yourself at home.
Come in, make yourself at home.
Your turn, come in, make yourself at home. Pause.
These sentences are simple, but they are very useful.
Exactly. Say them again later while you walk around your own home. Point to the furniture and name it in English.
I can practice in my bedroom, my kitchen, or even near my very tired plant. That sounds like an easy practice activity.
It is. Now let's use the phrases in a new situation. This time, you are visiting my house.
Ding dong, Sarah, I am here.
Hi, Michael. Come in, make yourself at home.
Thank you, your house feels very warm and cozy.
Thanks, you can put your jacket on the chair near the door.
Okay, is the living room on the left?
Yes, it is on the left next to the kitchen.
Wow, there are many books on the shelf, and there is a big lamp next to the sofa.
I like reading here in the evening.
The room is small but bright. I like the window.
Thank you. Would you like some tea?
Yes, please, where is the kitchen?
It is next to the living room. The cups are in the cupboard above the sink.
I can help. Is the tea on the table?
No, it is in the cupboard on the right.
Found it. Oh, your kitchen is very tidy.
It is tidy today because I knew you were coming.
That is honest. Where is the bathroom?
It is upstairs. Go up the stairs, then turn right. The bathroom is opposite the bedroom.
Great. And is that your garden behind the kitchen?
Yes, there is a small table outside. We can drink tea there.
Perfect. Your garden is my favorite place already.
Good choice. Let's sit outside. And later, you can tell my plants about your tired balcony plant.
Maybe your plants can give my plant some advice. I think I can describe a home much better now.
That was a fun visit. Before we finish, let's remember the most useful words and phrases. Today, we learned how to talk about your home in clear, simple English.
First, you can say where you live. I live in a house, or I live in an apartment near a park.
Then name the rooms: the living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom, balcony, and garden.
You can use there is for one thing and there are for more than one thing.
For example, there is a sofa in the living room. There are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
We also learned words for position. Next to, opposite, in front of under on the left and on the right.
Use easy describing words too. A room can be small, bright, quiet, cozy, tidy, or messy.
And you can share your opinion. My favorite room is the kitchen because I enjoy cooking.
When a guest visits, say, "Come in, make yourself at home." It sounds warm and friendly.
The best practice is simple. Walk around your home and describe what you see.
Start with one room, name the furniture, say where each thing is, then explain why you like the room.
And please check your plants. They may need water.
That is Michael's special speaking tip.
It is an important tip.
Now we have one question for everyone before we go. Tell us in the comments, do you live in a house or an apartment? What is your favorite room and why do you like it?
You can write 2 or 3 simple sentences. For example, tell us if your room is bright, cozy, tidy, or maybe a little messy.
Reading your answers will be lovely, and writing a comment is a great way to practice today's English.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, small sentences build real confidence.
See you in the next Saramic English lesson.
Bye for now.